This video features a sample of the study guide material we have developed for the 15th edition of the TDMM. This is in response to requests for assistance in studying for the RCDD exam. Each page of a chapter will have learning objectives listed for the contents of that page. This sample includes pages 21-1 to 21-6. We hope you find this material useful. Please note that we have no affiliation with BICSI and no knowledge of what is on the exam. We are using our own judgment about what we think is important for you to absorb and retain from the manual. Let's get started. What's important on this page? Learning objectives for the TDMM, 15th edition. Chapter 21, Project Administration, Execution, and Risk Management. Professional Development in Marketing. What's important on page 21-1? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. Recognize why membership in professional organizations is important for ICT professionals. 2. Explain the importance of industry certifications. And 3. Describe 3 capacities in which an ICT designer may serve in a project. What's important on page 21-2? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. Provide 2 examples of how to educate clients and potential clients about the ICT industry. 2. List the 4 requirements in identifying a client's ICT needs. And 3. Recognize why it is important for the designer to have a statement of work document that was prepared by the client. What's important on page 21-3? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. Explain when and why upgrades are required for applications in the ICT infrastructure. 2. Specify one way a client can benefit from having an ICT professional included in the planning and design processes. 3. Identify 3 items in addition to voice, data, and wireless that are supported by ICT. 4. List 3 examples of stakeholders in an ICT company. And 5. Provide 12 examples of ICT professional service offerings. What's important on page 21-4? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. Identify 2 ways an ICT professional can help plan for a client's goals. 2. Note 1 important component of providing ICT services. 3. List 3 examples of submittals. 4. Give 2 examples of project-driven methods for business performance improvement. 5. Provide 2 examples of QA, QC methodologies. And 6. List 5 examples of what an ICT design professional needs to provide in order to identify the best solutions for the client's needs. What's important on page 21-5? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. Define sustainability in the 3 areas where it creates balance. 2. List 3 areas that sustainability can influence within the ICT industry. And 3. Describe 3 current and ongoing sustainability-related issues affecting ICT infrastructure. What's important on page 21-6? After reading this page, you should be able to 1. List 5 examples of sustainable building programs. And 2. Provide 8 characteristics of a smarter network infrastructure design. The material presented in this video is meant to be used as a study aid and not as a replacement for the TDM manual. Thanks for watching.